Hey, what is up, Mr. Jason here? So, as a 75 basis point hike seems like the most likely, people are not ruling out the possibility of a 100 basis points hike, a whole 1% rate hike on interest rates. Now, we're seeing a lot of that price in the market right now. That's why we're seeing the crypto market in the red. And especially as we're getting earnings right now with a lot of companies where we have Microsoft miss their earnings and other companies as well, this is creating even more fear within the market right now. So we have crypto just seeing a big downturn right now, where while the altcoins are taking a pretty big hit. We were seeing Cardano on a pretty good rally there for a while, but now we have Cardano at around 45 cents this moment. We have Bitcoin under $21,000. We have Ethereum that was showing some pretty massive gains at now working its way down under $1,400. So a lot going on over in the crypto market at this moment. So let's get into a little bit about what is going on. Let's get into what is going on with the whole fear of interest rates and the crypto market itself. So as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash this story, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people who might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. Let's get to it. So looking at Bitcoin's been in this falling wedge since the beginning of the second quarter, April 1st. And now what we're seeing is it's been attempting to break out of this falling wedge. It's gotten close, but it hasn't succeeded. It was following along the line of breaking out for a while there, and then now it's just not able to hold on anymore. And we just saw it fall through that $22,000 support that it had, and it's dropping a bit more right now. Now, hopefully we're going to see it do a bounce here in an Elliott wave and move back up at some point. Hopefully that's the case. But at the moment, we have Bitcoin trending down, and it would have been nice to see Bitcoin break out of this pattern that it has been in, that it's been testing, trying to break out multiple times now and not succeeding. Now, there's only so much time in this pattern that Bitcoin has an opportunity to really break out before I think that we would see it not able to hold on to that $18,000 support that it had. And I would think that at some point it will fall through that and it would end up finding a new support level. Then we can easily be seeing that fall down to a price of around $16,000 or worse, $15,000 as a new support for Bitcoin. Now, pulling Bitcoin up on the weekly chart here, a lot really is riding on Bitcoin working its way up to that 200-week moving average. Now, we have been seeing the price turn around here, but if for any reason within this week that we do see the price of Bitcoin falling much lower and falling at lower than it was in the previous week, then that could be a sign that we did not reach the bottom yet, and that's going to create more fear within Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. So Bitcoin does need to rise above levels that it was in the previous week, and it has not done that yet. We're a couple days into this current week, so we'll have to see how this all does play out. Now, at the moment, the entire crypto market cap is now at $954 billion. So we're now under that $1 trillion mark. So we can see how the fear within crypto really is affecting things this moment, because we did manage to stay above that $1 trillion market cap for a couple days, and now we're falling back below. So there's still signs that the worst probably has not come yet, or it has, and this is just a little bump in the road. Now, on the plus side, though, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index still has crypto in fear, but we are moving closer to being in extreme fear. Now, what we're seeing right now is just a lot of transactions of FUD. There's so much fear out in the market of what is going to be announced. Is there going to be a 100 basis points, or is it going to be 75 basis points? Now, for the most part, a lot of financial experts say that pretty much expect that it's going to be 75 basis points. And that's what I'm expecting. There's just more price in the market right now, maybe a good amount of overselling. So might be a good play for people that are looking for to get in on these lower prices. But at the same time, there's risk involved, so anything could happen. Anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. What are you guys doing? Are you guys selling right now? Are you buying? I would like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. See you in the next one.